friends! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw something super fun, an apple with a pencil and alphabet.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, draw a big bold letter A. Now, draw B right next to it. And finally, let's add C. Amazing job! Now, let's add some numbers. Draw 1 next to the letters. Now, draw 2 right beside it. And finally, let's add 3. Woohoo! Draw a long, slanted rectangle going across the alphabets and numbers. Now, add a pointy tip at the bottom. Let's add the eraser at the top. Whoa! Now, let's draw a big apple behind everything. First, draw a small stem right in the middle. Now, let's add 2 cute leaves on the sides. Finally, draw a big round apple shape behind all our drawings. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make our drawing pop by making the outlines bold and sharp. Look at that! Our apple is so cool! It's coloring time! Let's bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors. Red color for the apple.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Our drawing looks amazing! Yay! We did it! You guys did an awesome job drawing and coloring this cool apple with a pencil and alphabets. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.